How to fix OneDrive error 0x8004de34 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Remove all OneDrive credentials as required. Sign in again. If that didn't work, resetting OneDrive clears its configuration and cache, resolving issues that may cause error 0x8004de34 without affecting your files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues, leading to sign-in errors. Keeping both OneDrive and Windows updated ensures access to the latest fixes. If the latest version listed there matches with the one on your app, you are up to date. If the version does not match, simply click on Download OneDrive for Windows, follow the installation instructions and it will install the latest version on your device. If OneDrive is part of an Office installation, corrupted Office files can contribute to error 0x8004de34. Repairing Office can resolve the issue.